In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn irregular forms of verb and their use in sentences. Part 1. A. There are different forms of verb that confuse us when we write and speak English because they have different ways of formation. We must be aware of these forms of verb when we speak and write English. Number 1 word is write. Second form, wrote. Third form, written. Fourth, writing. Sentences. I often write stories. She wrote a novel last year. He has written an application. She has been writing stories since her childhood. Number 2. See. Second form, saw. Third, seen. Fourth, seeing. Sentences. I see him in his office daily. I saw her in her garden yesterday. I have never seen you before. We are seeing pictures. Number 3. Speak. Second form, spoke. Third, spoken. Fourth, speaking. Sentences. I speak many languages. She spoke on the topic that we assigned to her. I have spoken on these sort of topics many times. I am speaking on the topic related to life. Number 4. Eat. Second form, ate. Third, eaten. Fourth, eating. Sentences. She eats an apple daily. I ate many things at a restaurant. I have just eaten something. They are eating pizza this time. Number 5. Drink. Second form, drank. Third, drunk. Fourth, drinking. Sentences. I drink fresh water. She drank cold water from the refrigerator. I am drinking water to refresh myself. I have drank 2 glasses of water. They have been drinking water for many years. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.